दुनिया वैश्विक महामारी कोरोना के कहर से लगातार जूझ रही है। इस वायरस से मरने वालों की संख्या 3 लाख से ज्यादा हो गई है और संक्रमितों की संख्या 50 लाख को पार कर गई है। कोरोना वायरस के संकट के बीच विदेशों में फंसे भारतीयों को वापस स्वदेश लाने के लिए केंद्र सरकार ने वंदे भारत मिशन शुरू किया है। लेकिन बहुत से देशों में अभी भी कई ऐसे भारतीय हैं जो जल्द से जल्द अपने देश और अपने परिवार के पास आना चाहते हैं, पर ना तो उन्हें भारतीय सरकार से कोई संतुष्ट जवाब मिला है और न ही जिस देश में वो रह रहे हैं वहां से कोई संतुष्ट जवाब मिल रहा है। यही हाल है मैक्सिको में फंसे 300 से ज्यादा भारतीयों का, जो जल्द से जल्द अपने घर लौटना चाहते हैं। मैक्सिको में फंसे यह भारतीय यहाँ किसी न किसी काम से आए थे और ज्यादातर लोग यहाँ उनकी कंपनी के साथ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट पर आए थे, जो अब खत्म होता जा रहा है, जिससे उन्हें अब कई परेशानियों का सामना भी करना पड़ रहा है। इन्होंने भारतीय सरकार और मैक्सिको में भारतीय एम्बेसी से भी एक फ्लाइट भारत भेजने की अपील की है, पर कोई भी संतुष्ट जवाब इन्हें नहीं मिल रहा है। किसी का बच्चा भारत में छोटा है तो किसी के माँ बाप इस महामारी में अकेले हैं। देखिए, मैक्सिको में फंसे 300 से ज्यादा भारतीयों ने डेली डायरी न्यूज को वीडियो भेजकर भारतीय सरकार से क्या अपील की है और कैसे यह अपना दुख व्यक्त कर रहे हैं।
Hi, this is Venkat Ramu. Currently, I am living in Mexico City. I have worked in one of the IT company, and my project has been closed in 15th of April. And I had tried to book the flight on 16th of April, but unfortunately, because of the lockdown situations, my flight got cancelled. So I stuck in Mexico since 30 days, and I am trying to find special flights and normal flights since 1 month, but I couldn't able to find it because of the COVID-19 lockdown and situations, as we all know. So we have approached the Indian Embassy in Mexico to get the special flights, which is organized by Government of India through Vande Bharat mission, and Indian Embassy helped us, and they accepted all the documents necessary for the special flights. And like me, most of the people, Indian people who lives in Mexico City, they approached the Indian Embassy in Mexico and they have submitted their documents 30 days before itself. And Indian Embassy in Mexico, they have shared all the documents of our Indian people to Delhi Embassy to get a special flights to travel from Mexico to India. So we are approaching our Indian Embassy in Mexico in daily basis since 30 days.
My name is Himal Chaudhary. I am stranded in Mexico from January. My visa is also getting over. And my parents are very sick. They are senior citizen and they are staying alone. I want to go back. I am in touch with the embassy from a long time, but there has been no update from the embassy or from the government of India to plan for or to provide a evacuation flight for Mexico. There are almost 300 Indian citizens who want to travel back to India, and I want to go back desperately. Please help me. Please.
Hello, I'm Rahul Chakravarti from Pune. For last 3 months I have been stuck here in Querétaro, one of the nearby city to Mexico City. And 3 months we are struggling to have food and the money, because we are losing our money very fast. So I would request my government to pull out us from here. In Mexico, almost 265 plus Indians are stuck here. They are every time, like, everyone has their own emergency and we are losing our money. So trust us, please send flight to us that we can go to our home. And we are ready to pay the air ticket. We are ready to stay in quarantine. But please trust us. There are many people here are stuck for quarantine.
Good morning. I'm Kaliapan Mutaya. I came here in Mexico for 2 weeks for a short business trip. I have been stranded here since 8 weeks, and I'm one of the 265 Indians who have been stranded here. I'm staying in my hotel. There is a lockdown here. The work that I came here is postponed to Christmas. And the worst thing about Mexico is the death toll ratio is so far the second highest in the world. 11% of the people who are getting infected by COVID are losing their life. And there are some riots also happening in some part of Mexico. And the military has been brought inside. And back home, I have my wife and my son. My son is an infant, 18 months old, and my wife is taking care of my family, and my father is a physically challenged person. He cannot go outside to buy something. I request Government of India to consider some flights for us. Where just one flight would be enough for us. Thank you. Jai Hind.
ਜੈ ਹਿੰਦ। ਮੈਕਸੀਕੋ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਸੇ 250 ਇੰਡੀਅਨਸ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਪਰਿਵਾਰਾਂ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਦੇ ਡਿਸੀਜਨ ਲਈ ਵੇਟ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਜੋ ਇਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਵਾਪਸ ਜਾ ਸਕਣ। ਮੈਕਸੀਕੋ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਲਰੇਡੀ ਕੇਸ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਨੇ। ਫਰੋਮ ਲੋਕਲ ਸੋਰਸ ਪਤਾ ਚੱਲਿਆ ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਹਸਪੀਟਲ ਆਲਰੇਡੀ ਪੀਕ ਕੈਪੈਸਿਟੀ ਤੇ ਆਪਰੇਟ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ। ਸਰਕਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਮੈਕਸੀਕੋ ਲਈ ਵੀ ਰੀਪੈਟਰੀਏਸ਼ਨ ਫਲਾਈਟ ਚਲਾਈ ਜਾਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਜੋ ਇਹ ਵਿਛੜੇ ਹੋਏ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੇ ਇਹ ਕਿਧਰੇ ਪਿਛੜ ਨਾ ਜਾਣ। ਥੈਂਕਸ ਫॉर all the guys who are listening. We are in a deep mental stress and we urge our government to send us repatriation flight as soon as possible. Jai Hind.
Hello, my name is Junaid and I'm an employee of an IT company and I'm from Kolkata. I'm stuck here in Mexico along with many other fellow Indian citizens out here who are also stuck and in the same situation. So my family members, including my wife and my kid, they are in India and they are worried about me. I'm worried about them and we are in deep stress. And many of our other fellows Indian citizens who are also stuck in similar situations are also in deep stress, and we are worried that we may get infected out here and get stuck out here. So right now none of us are infected and we are looking forward to return back to our country, and we would be following all the protocols that has been defined by our government when we return back. So our humble request to the government of India that please arrange a repatriation flight for us as soon as possible so that we can return back and unite with our family member. Thank you.